Are you looking for the best outdoor grill carts? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best outdoor grill carts that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Weber Portable Grills Cart. Do you have any of the Weber Q1000 and 2000 series grills and looking for a great place to keep it while you make those mouth-watering dogs and patties? Look no further than this great portable grill cart from Weber itself. That's exactly what it was purposely made for. It's what it lives and breathes to do. Its goal in life is to become the transport for your hallowed Weber grill on great days when the sun is out, the beer is cold, and you just want to cook some meat. The Weber branding is a good enough reason to get excited about this, but that's not all we want to rave about. Although it has a very simplistic design, it still has a lot going for it. With a front-loading design, you easily just slide your grill into place and then lock it so it doesn't jolt or move while it's hot and cooking that bacon, sweet bacon. As well as being tailor-made for that trusty Weber grill, it also comes equipped with 2 handy hooks to hang a spatula and tongs from, and the 2 tough and weather-ready wheels make it easy to wheel here, there and everywhere. When the deed is done and the meat is gone and you're feeling a little bloated, you don't want to deal with a complicated disassembly process. That's why Weber has made it incredibly easy to fold down. They've even taken into consideration your meat sweats and weary body with the wire transport handle built into it. That means you can just pull it along using the wheels when you're returning to your car, tent, maybe RV, or just back into your house. Pros: easy to assemble. Folds away nice and easily when you're finished. Incredibly portable. Cons: only designed for specific Weber grills. Number 2. Keter Unity Indoor-Outdoor Grill Cart. Okay, so the most portable thing about this is the wheels. It's true that the Keter Indoor-Outdoor Entertainment BBQ storage table is not exactly built for taking away on camping trips or to the local park. However, it is extremely beautiful, jam-packed with features and ideal for that decking or patio area where you tend to congregate when you tend to throw a BBQ. You can't cook on it, but you can do just about everything else, as you'll see as we lift the lid on it. First things first, the top is constructed from durable 430 grade stainless steel and provides excellent space for preparing and serving tasty grub. It works perfectly as a prep and serving station because it can be wiped clean between uses. Looking down and around it though, you'll see there's 4 handy S-hooks along with a bottle opener. The perfect place to hang those BBQ utensils so that you never lose them again. Whereas on the opposite side, just down from the top, there's a spice rack for all those flavorings and a paper towel holder because we all get a bit messy when it's BBQ time. Don't we? As well as the available space on top, directly below you'll find space to store glasses, places and anything else you need close to hand. While even further down there's a lockable storage area that can hold around 40 gallons of, well, whatever you want. While the top is made from sturdy stainless steel, the paneling and body are made from a natural-looking weather-resistant resin with UV resistance and the promise from the manufacturers that it won't dent, fade or peel. Wanna put it to the test? You're not alone. Pros: 430 grade stainless steel top. Lockable 40-gallon storage space. S-rings, spice rack and kitchen roll holder. Cons: packaging is not consistent. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Grill Cart. Although the next item in our guide might resemble some kind of fold-out deck chair for quadruplets, this is a rather fine cook station from the geniuses at GCI Outdoor. The to-the-point design shouldn't be a surprise when you consider it's from the company whose founder invented a chair that could be used anywhere. The deck chair design aside, the everywhere, anywhere approach they took for their other products was obviously used in devising this outdoor piece of portable furniture. With a power-coated and durable steel construction and a countertop made from aluminum with heat resistance, this is built for rugged use outdoors. The company has used their own slim fold technology, which is a patent pending, which means it can be set up and folded back down in next to no time at all. Along with the worktop, it also has 4 robust plastic side tables that fold out. These tables have various features such as hooks, stem glass holders and other beverage holders. The hooks can even be used for hanging utensils and garbage bags. Given its lightweight design, it only weighs 18.9 pounds after all. It can hold 48 pounds on the top and around 35 pounds on the lower storage rack. There's also a handy wire storage rack, perfect for those just out of the oven ingredients. Although we obviously want to be unbiased, this is one of our favorites. Pros: affordable price. Easy to fold and unfold. Heat-resistant aluminum countertop. Cons: handles could be tougher. Number 4. QCenert CF22 take-along grill stand. QCenert are known for their kitchen gadgets and appliances, so it shouldn't be a surprise that they've designed a portable grill table that we're going to discuss in this guide. Although none of the storage space on this nifty table is covered, it's hard to argue with the actual amount of storage space you get for such an affordable price. As well as the main countertop that can be used for your portable grill, there's another 2 tables that flip up at either side. That's not all though, because rather than just featuring the obligatory 3 hooks and a paper towel holder, as some of them do in our guide, this top trumps them. There's a total of 6 tool hooks, more than enough for oven mitts, spatulas, forks and the crucial tongs. There's also 6 cup holders, giving you that hands-free cooking and eating experience that's often missing when you're cooking al fresco. It may not have covered storage, as we noted already, but it does have the capacity to hold a maximum of 35 pounds. That's more than enough for a reasonable-sized cooler. Lightweight, foldable and utterly irresistible. If you're after a cheap alternative to some of the pricier options listed here, this is a winner. Pros: 8 tool hooks and 6 cup holders. 35 pounds storage capacity. Easy to fold up and down. Cons: discolors in the rain. Number 5. Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table. Camco are the manufacturers of this deluxe folding grill table. This is a perfect addition to your BBQ supplies, especially if you enjoy attending tailgate parties, going camping or partying on the beach. It has a high-strength and lightweight steel frame and is topped off with an aluminum counter. When it's folded up, it slides into the accompanying bag for safe storage. Whenever you need to use it, you simply unfold it from the middle and allow the legs to extend fully. Then you just need to place it down and set the middle metal rack in place and the aluminum top, and it's ready for you to start prepping food for that tasty BBQ. In terms of storage, there is a lot of space for just about everything you need. In addition to the generously sized tabletop, there is also a lower shelf and 2 side shelves. You'll also find the extra hooks and paper towel holder come in handy for ensuring that everything has a place and everything is kept in place. So, if you're looking for a portable prep station for cooking al fresco that's hassle-free and easy to store away when you're done, the Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table could be the right choice for you. Pros: folds down to just 6 inches. Comes with a storage bag. Powder-coated steel frame. Cons: not very waterproof. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.